everyone. So I just worked out and I made myself a little bowl of oatmeal. I've been making this exact recipe for the last few days and I've been really enjoying it. I think I'm also gonna make like the same recipe but as overnight oats and have it tomorrow morning because tomorrow I'm actually headed to Georgia to visit my family. That looks better. If you guys remember a few months ago, I went to Georgia because unfortunately my grandpa passed away. So yeah, we went there for his funeral and now I'm going back because every March my mom goes because her mom's birthday is in March, and every so often I will go with her in March because I just love spending time with my family and my cousins and my grandma and my aunts and uncles, and yeah, it's just really fun. So I decided to meet her there again for March. And another reason I'm going is because my cousin Tessa is in a musical, and if you guys remember Tessa, she's been in a few of my videos and you guys really love her and I just love her too. So yeah, that was another reason I wanted to go, so I can go watch her perform. And yeah, so I'm leaving tomorrow morning and I will get there and I'm gonna meet my mom at the airport. I'm actually getting there like a few hours after her, so she's gonna have to wait in the airport, but she said she's fine with that. But I'm like so hungry and this is seriously so good, so I'm gonna eat this now. So I made it to Georgia and it's been a few days actually. I've just been hanging out with my family and yeah, just kind of staying off the grid a bit. But I decided to update you guys because a few things have been going on that I feel like I need to talk to you guys about. But yes, so I'm sitting in my grandparents' like porch situation. I'm just sitting here on the ground because it's a pretty nice day. It's like 66 degrees out. It's a little bit cold, but I'm feeling good in my sweatshirt. And actually, crazy enough, I got this sweatshirt last time I was in Georgia when I went thrifting, as well as these jeans. So just making a full circle over here. I'm actually going thrifting today with my aunt. When she gets off of work, we're gonna go, and I'm excited about that. But yeah, I wanted to update you guys with a few things. So the first main thing is the last video that I posted about the construction that's happening, and there were so many mixed opinions on that video. I don't know, I just felt like I wasn't getting my point across, and like some people were taking it the wrong way, and some people were saying that I was being really like bratty and it was a first world problem and like I shouldn't be complaining and all this stuff. And I just wanted to like try to make myself clear in this video. I was literally only trying to just vent, and I was very frustrated. Like I said in the video, it was really affecting like my day-to-day life. Like I just wasn't used to, you know, waking up and having all this noise throughout the day when I'm trying to film, and I was just like at my breaking point.
Do you want to walk up there with us or not?
I'll like meet you guys there when you guys are coming back probably.
Okay.
Do you want to say hi, Mommy?
Hi, Mommy. Well, hello.
Want to say hi?
Hi.
This is my grandma.
Hi.
Yeah, they're gonna go pick up my cousin Tessa from the bus stop, so you guys can get to see her. But anyways, I just wanted to make sure that I got my point across. I understand that it is a first world problem, like I'm not in harm's way, but it's not to say that it doesn't like affect me, you know? So I don't know, I just wanted to say that, and obviously like if nothing happens with the situation, like I'll be fine, like we're good. But I consider you guys friends, and I just feel like this is something I would tell my friend and vent to my friend about, and I didn't want to like hold back with like what I was saying. I do appreciate everybody who was leaving a nice comment. That is basically what I have to say about that. Okay, and then the second thing, I did want to tell you guys this because it's literally insane. My flight to Georgia was literally insane. Like I thought I was going to die, like not even exaggerating whatsoever. I literally held the hand of the stranger next to me when we were landing because we both, like everybody thought we were gonna die. Like I'm not even joking. So I flew in from LAX to Atlanta and everything was fine. Like it was a 5-hour flight, it was all good. But then when we started like getting lower to the ground, starting to land, it was becoming really shaky and like literally seemed like it was kind of like out of control. And we were all like, oh my gosh, like what is happening? And then we started landing, like I want to say like 50 feet from landing. It was so close, like we were literally like on the down. The next thing we knew, we were taking back off. We didn't even like land on the ground, but we were like about to land and then we just took right back off. And we were all like, what the heck is happening? I was actually thinking we were getting hijacked because I was just like why did we not land? Like we were about to land and then we just took back off. And the reason that this was all happening was because of the wind. It was so windy. But then somebody came over the overhead speakers and was like, okay, we're gonna try that one again. Everybody open up your vents and take a deep breath and it'll all be okay. And we were like, oh, what? Like it was not reassuring at all. We're like, we're gonna try that one again. Yeah, let's try that again. And then from then on, everybody was like freaking out, but like quietly because you don't wanna actually freak out because that doesn't do any good. We were all like looking at each other like, what the heck? And then we went around again and then we successfully landed, but oh my gosh, it was so scary. I wanna know if that has ever happened to you guys because the guy next to me was probably like 70 and he said like that has never happened to him before except for one time and he said it was like not the same. But anyways, yeah, the girl next to me, we like held hands the second time we were landing. All is well, but I just thought that was an interesting story and I cannot believe that happened. It was really, really scary. I had like so much anxiety and it was scary. But anyways, we made it and yeah, so I'm actually leaving tomorrow to go back home. So I do have some clips from yesterday, which was we were celebrating my grandma's birthday. So I'll put those clips in right now. What slime is your favorite? Did you try this one yet?
No.
It's really fluffy. Yeah, try it out. We're also going to attempt to do some TikToks, right guys?
Yeah.
What's the song that you guys were just singing?
The Heather song.
Yeah.
The Heather
Ding,
song?
ding. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Sing it.
Look at dump truck in the flesh. Here comes the cootie squad. They say, shut up, Heather. Sorry, Heather. Look who's with her. Oh my God. Dang, dang, ding, 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 ding.
I don't know that one. Who remembers when I used to have a slime channel?
Me.
Me. Were you guys my biggest fans on there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably.
Do you guys like my channel now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better? The thrifting or slime?
I like the thrifting.
Really? Which one do you like better?
I like the thrifting.
Or do you like both? You can say both.
I like both. It's just I like the thrifting better because you did a lot of slime ones.
I did a lot of slime. If you guys didn't know that, I used to have a slime channel, which is now my like thrifting fashion channel. So, did a little switcheroo. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you read that? You don't want to be in it?
I told you.
Okay, bye. So I'm gonna go meet up with Tessa, my mom, and my grandma and see if I can meet them halfway. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon.